Japan's northern prefecture of Yamagata was once a center for artisans who crafted Wagasa, the ornate, traditional Japanese umbrella. For more than a century, the Furuuchi family has crafted these paper and bamboo umbrellas. Each one takes about a month to make. 83-year-old Seiichiro has been making Wagasa since he was a teenager. He says 5 decades ago, Wagasa was part of everyday Japanese life.
和傘の方が日本的な情緒があって、あと編みの時の音がとてもいいんですね。そういう資源があります。
But such a traditional site is rare today. In the last 60 years, production has dropped from 10 million annually to just 20,000. Seiichiro believes that number will continue to go down, threatening the few dozen remaining Wagasa makers left in Japan. The convenience and affordability of the Western umbrella has been a major factor in the steep decline of Wagasa. Japan is the largest consumer of umbrellas in the world, according to the Japan Umbrella Association. More than 120 million are sold here each year. But most of these umbrellas are plastic, made in China, and sell for just a few dollars. The Wagasa often sells for more than $100 and is now viewed as art, deviating from its original use as a device that protected people from nature's elements. Michitaka Sugawara and his father Michihiko have sold handmade Wagasa in their Tokyo store for 36 years. Just a few decades ago, they worked with more than 70 Wagasa suppliers and demand was high.
昔お店をやってた頃はもっと人は大勢通ってたし、もうかなり品物がない時代の時にやっていたもので、もう朝起きたら僕のおばあちゃんなんかはもう疲れて帰ってくるぐらい忙しかった。
Today, he says, they only have 15 Wagasa producers to choose from. Sugawara says the future of the family business is very much in doubt.
売れないというよりできないという方を今心配してます。作れない。だから日本の職人がかなり少なくなってます。それでその職人もかなり高齢化になってます。
Back in Yamagata, Seiichiro believes the craft of making Wagasa will die with him. But his son Seiji Furuuchi has every intention of continuing the family business.
将来、自分に時間ができましたら、カルチャースクールのような形で作る方ご希望の方いたら、そういうようなカルチャースクールのような場所で皆さんから月謝でもいただきながら、ほんでその中から本当に作りたい方がいましたら伝えていこうかなとは思ってます。
Teaching Wagasa will have to wait for another rainy day. For now, he carries on the family tradition like the generations before him.
で中にこう